All right, you guys, so I want to touch base with you guys on this Grove collaborative deal. So I don't know if you guys are seeing the shelves wiped because of this deal going on, but going into Target, a lot of you guys have mentioned that the containers, the free containers, are out of stock. So what you can do is get your order shipped. So I just added the dish soap as well as the container, and the container is coming up free, if you can see right here. So I have the container and the soap, and I'm going to be getting a promotion that's going to get the container absolutely free. So I know with the shop kicks, you're going to get it a lot cheaper. But if you want to just go ahead and hop onto Target.com and do this deal and get it shipped to you, you absolutely can do that, you guys. So I know the shelves are going to be wiped from this because social media gets wind of a deal and it spreads like wildfire, and then you're going to see that your shelves are not in stock. Or you can always do a rain check. So when this deal kind of dies down, when Shopkick's no longer offering it, wait a week or two, but get a rain check this week. So you want to get a rain check if you want to get this item, but just know you can do this online if you want to. So I will have a link below to the products that are in promo right now. So again, the deal is when you buy a hand soap, or if you buy a dish soap, or if you buy the multi-purpose cleaner, you're going to get the glass container absolutely free. Also, if you guys just want to go to the Grove Collaborative website and make a purchase, you can go ahead and do that, and you're going to get a free Mrs. Meyer's cleaning set. So it's up to you if you want to go Target or if you want to go Grove Collaborative. I will have a link below to my Grove Collaborative if you would rather do it through the Grove website and not fuss and fuss with Target. It's totally up to you on what you want to do with this deal, but don't go crazy on this deal because there are ways around it to get your products without having to stress about it too much. So just keep this in mind, and happy Target shopping, and I hope you guys enjoy the Grove products because I've been using them for years at this point. So it's a really good company to get your cleaning products from. Highly recommend. 2 thumbs up.